In this video, we will explore how to merge shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the Insert tab, and you can see here the Shapes option. I select here the blank slide to insert the shapes and click on the Shapes drop down arrow. I select the circle, so I just select and drag here the one shapes. Again, I go to the Insert tab and click on the Shapes option. I select the second shape, the rectangle, and here draw on the slides. No, okay. Now I want to both shapes want to merge. Okay, for the merge both shapes, you have to select the both shapes. You can see the only the one selection shape is showing. Now you can select the second one also. To select the both shapes, first select the one shapes, then press the control key of the keyboard, then select the second one. Now you can see here the both shape is selected. After that, go to the shape format. Here the insert shapes group have a merge shapes option. Just click on this arrow and you can see the shape is merged. You can see the changes on over here. See the changes to merge shape in different format. Okay, so that's it. So this is the way you can merge shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. So hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.